How to fix Microsoft Designer not opening in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps to fix it. The first method is reset Microsoft Designer. Right click on Start, select Installed Apps, find Microsoft Designer in the list. Alternatively, you can type Designer in the search box. This is Microsoft Designer. If you are unable to find the app, then you can download and install it. The link to this Microsoft Designer app is given in the video description. Note that you must select United States or other countries where the Microsoft Designer is rolled out in the country and region settings. Time and language, language and region, country and region. Now find Microsoft Designer. Then click on three dots. Select advanced options. Scroll down. In the reset section, click on repair. Then click on reset. Again reset. Close the settings app and try to open the Microsoft Designer app. If the issue still persists, then uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Designer app. Again go to the installed apps settings. Again search Designer. Click on three dots and select uninstall. Click on uninstall. Then go to the video description and click on the link to Microsoft Designer app. You will reach this page. Click on View in Store. Click on Open Microsoft Store. Click on Install. Let the installation complete. Once completed, click on Open. The Microsoft Designer should work fine. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.